In this video I'll show you how to edit for a soft pastel effect in the free mobile Lightroom app. This soft pastel edit looks good on lots of photos. I particularly like it for kids and families. Stick around to the end, follow along, and you can save it as a preset to apply to any photo. And then there's 4 more free presets you can download, and I'll show you how to at the very end. All I ask is a subscription and like if you appreciate the video. So let's get started with this image. First of all, we're going to go to Light, and we're going to pull our contrast down to -15, highlights to -20, shadows +20, and next go to colour and pull your vibrance up to +20 and hit colour mix. In all the colours we're going to bring the saturation down to -20 and the luminance to +20. And press done. Next up in effects, we're going to bring the clarity down to -20 and dehaze to -10. Let's sharpen the image a little bit. Press details, and for sharpening we'll go +70, and in masking also +70. And that completes the edit. Press and hold your picture, you'll be able to see the before and release for the after. Now we can save this as a preset. Press the settings, the 3 dots there, and choose create preset. Give your preset a name. Choose user presets and create a new preset group. That's a folder that you can give that a name. Let's call that pastels and press tick. You can choose all the parameters to apply to the preset. Once you've done that, press tick, and it's now saved. And now we can look at any other picture and apply that preset. To do that, go to your presets, find your folder, we called that pastels, and there you go. In the description you'll see 4 other free Lightroom presets, all with a soft pastel effect. You've got soft pastel portrait, as well as soft pastel light, medium and extreme. That's it. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. It really helps. It's a new channel, so it helps to grow it. Thanks very much, and I'll see you guys next time.